I think I messed up. I thought the MiG-21 was just another old fighter jet, but its real story, way more shocking than you'd believe. Let's rewind. In the 1960s, India bought the MiG-21 to dominate the skies, fast, deadly, and reliable. For decades, it was the backbone of Indian air power, flying in countless missions and winning wars. But behind the glory, a shadow grew. Hundreds of crashes, technical failures, and tragic losses. Pilots nicknamed it the flying coffin. So why did India keep flying it for so long? Budget constraints, delays in new jets, and tough geopolitics left no easy option. In the end, India's legendary MiG-21 became a symbol of bravery, but also of risk. Its retirement isn't just an end, it's a warning from history. The truth? Sometimes legends outstay their welcome.